All right, team. So I made a couple of quick updates to the NFR file that I'm going to be sending you guys. So I figured I can make a quick video and kind of show you the breakdown of the best way to utilize this so you guys can have it for reference. So everybody's going to get a file exactly like this. Like I said, I'm going to try to do it every time it updates, or at least once a week on Mondays. And basically what you want to do is go to your SAP and expand it. So I'm just going to use Chillicothe for example. When you expand it, what you're going to notice is it is now grouped by a mobile expert and then by band. So you no longer have to go through that bigger file and try to group the bands. So for example, we'll just look at Jeremy Brewer here for it. So it's going to tell you the goal that they have. So the first column is the goal that they have on per band, and then their actual attach on that specific band. So like if we look at this one right here, which is a big one, it had a goal of 23, and the attach on it was actually $0. So what we can do is we can click on that $0, so double click. It's going to open up the details just for that specific band, so you can take a look at that customer. So if we take a look here, this customer got 2 Timo Ones account and got 2 tier 3, 4, 5 handsets. So the attach requirement on there was $850 plus $850 plus $6. So that's where this number came from, that $23. So $850 and $850 is $17 plus that $3 and $3, so the $6 for the attach gave us a goal of $23. So definitely that one band was a big miss for that specific rep. So this is where I would like you as RSMs to take the opportunity to call the customer and reposition the Protection 360 for this account. Or any additional feature that we can attach, whether it's family mode or whatever it is, to try to make up ground on it. So again, just one more time, and then you can go back and we can look at another account. So again, we'll just use Jeremy again for the same example. Let's look at this band, which is 932. They had a goal of $12.50 with an attach of 0. So we go back, we can click on that 0, double click. It's going to open this customer, right? It's going to open Donna Junk, and we'll be able to take a look. Again, similar idea. So they activated 2 lines on the 55 plan, and they got 2 tier 1, 2 handsets, and there was nothing attached. So again, similar story. We can call that customer and follow up. So just to walk through the steps quickly again, you go to your SAP. So we'll go to 3480, you press the plus sign, it'll show you the reps with each band that they've activated. The first column here, column B, is going to show you what their goal should have been per band. Column C is going to show you what they actually attached on that band. And then if you want to dig deeper, so we'll use Goulet for example, this band, 751, should have had an attach of $11.70. However, he attached $0, so we will double click on the 0. It's going to take us to this band, Ibrahim Garba. So they did 2 lines on the Essentials plan, and they got a premium handset. So the $8.50 goal for the P360 on the premium handset, and the $1.60 per line on the Essentials with a $0 attach. So again, this is a customer that we can call back and either position the hotspot, reposition the P360, or whatever it may be to get this customer to purchase that product. So please utilize this. Let's get back on researching these. Even some of you that are in the 100% plus, there are still opportunities that we want to make sure that we protect, so that we're not hurting when we get any chargebacks. Again, you look at Harrisburg Pike, they're at 163%, but just as a coaching opportunity and again to protect yourself from chargebacks, we can look at, for example, Cole. He's at 131%, but he's got an account here that had an attach goal of $850 but $0. I can click on that. It'll show me that this was a handset sale $8.50 attached with a $0 or goal with a $0 actual, we can again call this customer and try to position that. So again, this video doesn't mean that you can't call me and ask me questions. Please call and ask any questions that you may have. But hopefully this is a good reference point, and hopefully it's helpful to help you guys break down this file.